Oh yeah! Welcome savages, savage family, savage maniacs. Coming to you live today from Dubai. And we are at the Dubai Miracle Garden. Yeah, this was on the list. I didn't know anything about this place the first time I came to Dubai. So when I found out about it, I said I have to add this to my to-do list for sure. Definitely a tourist theme, pretty much like everything in Orlando with the university. It's not university, Universal Studios, Disney. I don't know if there's rides, but the ticket was 35 USD for both the Butterfly Garden and the Dubai Miracle Garden. With that being said, I think that's okay. 35 USD, and you get two little things to walk around and enjoy yourself. Today was a beautiful day as well. We got that winter Florida weather, I should say, where it's very, very, very cool. It's like 70 degrees and windy today. So if you hear the wind, that's why. Okay, brother. So if you're getting a good little break from any heat, but 70 degrees in the middle of January, can't beat that. All right, let me just continue to walk around. Look like I got a Hardee's here and a Krispy Kreme. That's pretty funny. I wanted to walk around the outside before I went in, but I think I'm getting the idea of what's on the outside. You can get your mango juices. I mean, not bad prices either. That's $8. If you've seen the video at me at the fish market, yeah, $30 is about 8 USD. So I mean, if you want a smoothie and some ice cream, I seen cheaper around here. So I guess that would be the tourist price. Matter of fact, yesterday I didn't even finish the video because it was hectic on New Year's. When I say hectic, I mean it was crazy hectic on New Year's. Pretty much, I end up getting what I was going to cook. You have to get it clean, and then once you got it clean, you had to get it cooked. That line to get cooked, that took forever, and then find a place to eat, it was just crowded. And I believe that was a New Year's thing because everybody wanted to come there for New Year's, but it was worth it. I just couldn't finish the video, so I got what I could get, so I apologize about that. Pretty much, it's definitely an experience that you should do, especially having those cheap options. I mean, $8 for a kilo. I got like I got like 3 slices of fish that was pretty good. They call it kingfish. It had very minimum bones in it. I had like about 20 pieces of prawns, like big prawns. Man, everything came out to about I think like 20 USD, 20 or 25 USD. Having them cooking and everything and cleaning for me, well worth it. All right, so this is pretty much just the outside here. I'm gonna go ahead and walk in because I don't think I'm seeing anything in the outside. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we can get into. All right, so let's go ahead and just seeing a bunch of nice looking flowers. This is a Instagram trap, tourist trap. You're probably gonna see a bunch of people just taking photos and pictures. Me here, I'm coming to get the content. I'm not a big like photo person, never have been, but every now and then I'll take a picture. Every now and then, it's not my cup of tea for some reason. All right, so we have more beautiful flowers. I went straight. I'm kind of considering, well, I'm pretty sure in the middle will get me to each location. And look, castles look very dope as well. Yeah, I didn't miss anything about night. So I believe if I go straight, I'm gonna end up getting close to everything anyway. So let's go ahead and keep walking straight. Oh, there go a falcon. Yep, definitely a falcon. And the reason why I know that because I've been to Doha. Like, and they had like that was a part of the if you ever go to Doha and you take Qatar Airways, you can do a tour. It used to be free, but it's like 10 or 15 USD, and they'll take you around the city. So if you have like a long layover in Doha, take advantage of that, because it'll definitely introduce you to some new things that you may have never seen. Like there was a bunch of camels, and that was like the king camel, and then the falcon. It's matter of fact, I'm gonna end up going back to Doha just because of that. All right, so I kept straight. Yeah, we should keep going straight because it looks like there's nothing but food down that way. So this is what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's nice little castle. I'm going to pretty much keep walking, and when I see something that's eye-dropping or just very beautiful, I definitely let you know, and I bring you back with me. All right, so this is pretty interesting. Almost gave me the Alice in Wonderland feel, but I'm not sure if that's the theme that they were going with, but this is definitely interesting. All right, on to the next exciting thing. All right, so I think this would be a nice area to show you. I don't know if you caught a glimpse of it from the outside, but it's a Smurfs. So this is always dope. This brings back a lot of childhood memories. So to all my 80s babies, I was born in the late 80s. Smurfs was definitely still showing on TV. Pretty much anybody that's 80s, 70s, 60s, maybe even 50s, this should bring you back to your childhood. The Smurfs. I don't know if they ever did, like, you know, they always try to like remake or redo things. I don't know if they ever tried to redo the Smurfs, but if they did, that'll be interesting. They even got the 3D boots. I don't know who that is in the back right there, but I'm hearing music, so you already know what that means. Get away. Get away quick. Matter of fact, that's a speed walk. But yeah, you still got the Smurfs right here. You can go up there. Let's go up. I didn't go up. It'd be nice if one of these houses actually open or it was interactive, but hey, you get what you get. Alright, yeah, so yeah, just pretty much more Smurfs. I'm pretty sure, I don't know. I remember I just remember Papa Smurf. That's the only name I can think of right now. Everybody else, I don't remember. So if you know the Smurf's name, let me know. Drop a comment. Give me some of the names in the comments. All right, so I think you get the gist of this area. You see the thing. You see what's going on. So let's go ahead and get to the next beautiful scenery that we can see. All right, so I saw these and thought it was Sideshow Bob. I think I'm saying that right. Man, my pronunciation is messed up today. But also these penguins are pretty dope as well. And you can see in the background, what I'm looking forward to is that big plane. So let's see if there's anything else. We got more Smurfs. They're just huge though. I believe by walking here, yeah, y'all seen enough Smurfs. Like, I'm not gonna give you the Smurfs unless there's something that need to see, or I think you need to see, but you've seen enough Smurfs. So let me walk around in this area and see what's actually worth showing you. All right, so we found the plane. This thing is huge. Like, videos is not doing this thing justice. This thing is humongous. I hope there's a better view because I couldn't get the view that I wanted. So I'm hoping, because that's just the back of the plane. And I got on top of a brick to get that view from you guys. And this is the front of the plane is right here. Okay, so pretty much, there you go. Zoomed all the way out. Yeah, okay, so that would be the best view right here. Because all the other views pretty much give you like a tree in the way. And a lot of people are very respectable when you're creating content out here. Like, they'll step out of the way. They won't get in front of your picture. So I appreciate everybody who does that. There's a few who, I don't care. It doesn't make me, I'm here. So it doesn't make me upset if you walk in front of the camera or not. But it's nice to know that people truly care and don't want to mess up your content. All right, so let's go ahead and keep walking around and see what we can get into. But this is definitely lovely. All right, so if you keep walking and you pass the little Smurfs area, you get a better view. And this view is definitely a better view of the front. You still can't get the back, but this view is definitely a better view to me. You let me know which view you like better, the one earlier or the one that you're getting right now. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. All that good stuff. Get your boy to 1,000. All right, on to the next one.